I think I found Emi-chan. I'm going to see her soon.
Forgive me. Wow, that's cool. We are taking video each other. Seems like weird.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We're going to
Parliament.
Parliament. Wow. Where is it?
That's cool.
It's the longest arcade.
Oh yeah, one of the longest arcades. I have never been here, and I'm so excited. And I haven't eaten today, so
So
I
anything?
no,
Really?
just
Oh my God.
water.
Just water?
Just water.
去年の5月ぐらい。
あ、本当ですか？でも10。でもほとんど変わらない。
美味しそう。コッペパンって英語でなんて言うんだろう。
なんて言うんだろう。
ね。Emi-chan is setting a serious, like a professional.
Professional camera sound. You know, like in Tokyo, like kind of like it's embarrassing, like saying like kind of big, like saying everybody stare at me.
But you don't care, right?
I don't care. You don't care, right? And because you're from Osaka.
Oh, it's so 美しいね。Surface.
I really love crunchy. Crunchy.
I think the sauce is like a nostalgic taste, isn't it?
Yeah, right.
Reminds me of my childhood. I like the bread. It's so fluffy. うまっ。
うまい。
And I think inside there is some mustard,
Yeah.
sauce, cabbage, and これなんだっけ? Pork cutlet,
Yeah.
deep fried cut.
Yeah, actually, like in Japan, we eat like katsu with like lettuce. This lettuce? Cabbage. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, we have like kind of the custom to eat like with like lettuce. No.
She really loves lettuce, so forgive us.
Forgive me.
Alright.
Strawberry and peach and like
Whoa.
banana, blueberry,
jam?
kiwi.
なんだろう?
Wow, in it.
What's the yellow one?
Yeah, I think it's peach or
Peach. Oh yeah,
Something.
yellow peach.
wow.
美味しそう。Yes. めっちゃうまい
This
し
is really good actually.
Very, 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 very.
Very good.
Now, how do you say delicious in Indian? I think. Do you? Emi-chan knows that. No?
No.
You have collaborated with some Indians, so.
Yeah, I collaborated with like some Indians, but I just know some Indians like ni hao, no ni hao.
やばいや
Just
ばい。
kidding. Like, and namaste and meranam emihe.
あ、すげえ。
You can say meranam yukahe.
メラナムユカヘ。
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
やったー I know some Indian. でも美味しそうみたいな。Now we are deep fried karaage. Karaage.
Inside of we are inside of Karaage.
Karaage
It looks
restaurant.
so juicy.
Yes, it looks so yummy. I got a red one, the spicy one, and
I got like a normal white one.
yeah,
Yeah.
with like a broth, dashi taste.
Yeah, that's the taste.
Must be
Wow.
tasty.
Yeah.
The smell like a very like a chili.
Oh, yeah.
辛そう。
Gee.
I hope I can stand. 美味しそう。
Crunchy, so crunchy. So hot.
It's just deep fried for you, so it's very hot and like a juicy and crispy.
Yeah.
おいしい。うまいです。
This karaage is really big. Yeah.
We were supposed to order like 2 each.
Yeah.
It must be too much for us.
Yeah, we didn't know how big it is. Like, yeah.
This is not very thick, so it's easy to bite.
Yeah. Good.
And これなんだろう。なんて言うんだろう。もも肉。
Ah, it's momoniku.
めっちゃジューシー。
Juicy and soft. Momoniku.
めっちゃ美味しい。
美味しい。
七夕です。We have a Stars Festival soon. Next week actually.
Oh, next week.
ね。
Wow.
七夕はなんて言うんだろう。There is like a kind of special tree, and then you light a wish to the paper, and then hang it to the tree. Make a wish だね。
Yeah. Osaka
たこ焼き屋さんがあるよ。
Oh, you want to try it?
I can make by myself.
Yeah, that's right. So,
I'm going to choose maybe
kind of. Yeah.
this one is for pencil.
Wow, look at this. So cool. なんだっけ、うなぎ。L?
Oh, I'm gonna do
Oh, okay.
the same as you.
Yeah. Yay!
どうしよう。ネギマってどれですか？これ。
This
ネ
is
ギマ、
green onion and
グリーンオニオンが
chicken.
で、これをつける。
Dip it. And wow, that's cool.
二度漬け禁止です。
二度漬け禁止。大阪魂。
大阪魂です。はい。
はい。Okay, let's eat. いただきます。
いただきます。
イエーイ。
ブリです。
ゴンゴン。
Wow, I think it's like comparing to other buri. It's big, very big. これも。うまっ。Yes.
It's really good.
おいしいね。
お
食べ応えがすごい。We were waiting for this bench like for 20 minutes or something.
Yeah, it's really worth to like wait. Yeah, more than 20 minutes. Yeah. Have you been to like a Toriyu, which is like a izakaya. Yeah, of course, right? Much better than Torikizoku. Sorry, but yeah, much better than Torikizoku. Definitely.
That one, if you wanna drink a lot and you wanna make yourself full, it's perfect because there is a very comfortable seat and many kinds of food and drinks.
Yeah, it's really cheap. Like yeah, but yeah.
How's your stomach now?
Stomach?
Emi-chan.
Oh,
Yes.
always good. I can still eat.
Really?
Anything.
Anything?
Anything, yeah.
We have eaten a lot actually.
Yeah, but still I can eat.
さすがです。
Yeah.
Emi-chan's stomach is like a space.
Yeah, so much space here.